किया। क्या बोला था मैंने आपको कि प्लीज name of the modified story, the new author of the story, and here is my ending. Okay, please raise your hands. Raise your hands who have done, who has done. Raise your hands. जिसने किया है वो hand raise करो. Okay, very good, Ishika Condal. Okay, Ishika Condal, you speak out. Ishika Condal, आप बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Sindbad the Sailor First Yoke. Name of the story: Sindbad the Sailor First Yoke. Name of the modified.
Wait a minute, बेटा. What is Yoj? Yoj नहीं होता, voyage बोलते हैं इसको. हाँ, voyage नहीं बोलना, voyage होता है, समुद्री यात्रा. Okay? Yes. Then
name of the modified story: Four men became sailor. Name. Bad, who was very went to his first.
Then he went to
his friends and he. But the island was. There was not the island. It was the.
Very good. Then
Sindbad, they all ran. Ma'am, Sindbad and his friends tried to escape from there, but his friends went, and when the Sindbad was going, the whale.
Okay, whaling incident had happened now in the last. Okay, when this captain of the ship came. Okay, and he denied that he was not Sindbad. Okay, उसे मना कर देगी he was not Sindbad. Then you change the story. Then what happened? वहां से change करो story को. Okay.
Yes,
now the question you will do. Now come to today. We will do our question number 12, page number 74. Write down today's date. Okay. Yes, Miyank. What is today's date? Miyank, what is today's date?
19 October.
Okay, write down the date 19. जिनके पेपर नहीं आए हैं, listen to me again and again. Those students who have not given their answer sheets, they please give. Okay, and try to give your answer sheets well in time. Okay, write down today's date. Page number 74, question number 12. Okay, now Miyank, read this question. What is written? करो read करो इसको. Question number 12.
Why did Sindbad have to go throughout it? Could he?
Could he? Is there okay? Is there any line written before it? Written above it? इसके ऊपर कोई line लिखी है? Mayank, any line which is written over this A part? क्या लिखा है? आपने तो वो read नहीं की. Read करो इसको Mayank. A public auction of goods is a difficult and unwanted experience. Okay, means
A public.
हाँ, read करो. A
Action
public
of goods is difficult and.
Okay. Good. Yes, read करो. A public auction of goods is an unwanted experience means जब अपना auction means नीलामी है। ओके, जब अपना सामान बेचना होता है तो ये बहुत एक डिफिकल्ट और एक ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस होता है दैट नोबडी हैज एक्सपेक्टेड दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। कोई चाहता है अपने घर का सामान बेचना, नीलामी करना, ओके, कोई नहीं चाहता दिस टाइप, ये कि एक अनवांटेड एक्सपीरियंस है, इट इज नॉट वांटेड बाय एनी पर्सन। ऐसा कोई नहीं चाहता कि अपने घर का सामान बेच दिया, एक ऑक्शन लगाई, नीलामी लगाई और अपने घर का सामान बेच दिया। सो दिस इज अ such experience that is difficult as well as that is unwanted. A, why did Sindbad have to go through it? Could he have avoided it? सिंदबाद को क्यों, why he had to, उसको सिंदबाद को क्यों, why he, उसको वो पब्लिक ऑक्शन why उसको करनी पड़ी, एंड आपको लगता है कि he could have avoided it, इससे वो बच सकता था? रिया 1606, रिया 1606, आपको क्या लगता है? टेल मी दिस थिंग, व्हाई डिड सिंदबाद को, व्हाई ही हैड टू डू दैट पब्लिक ऑक्शन, क्यों करनी पड़ी उसको पब्लिक ऑक्शन? व्हाई डिड सिंदबाद हैव टू गो थ्रू इट? क्यों करनी पड़ी थी उसको? अनम्यूट करो, यू आर नॉट अनम्यूटिंग। Because Sindbad had spent all his money recklessly. Okay, सिंदबाद ने क्या किया था? अपना मनी ऐसे ही उसने स्पेंड कर दिया, विदाउट एनी कंसिडरेशन, बिना कुछ सोचे समझे उसने सारा मनी जो था he had spent. Okay, because he had spent all his money recklessly, so he sold all his household goods, तब उसने अपने घर के सामान को बेच दिया। Could he have avoided it? क्या वो इसको अवॉइड कर सकता था? Yes, he could have avoided it if he had spent his money rationally. अगर उसने ध्यान से, समझदारी से अपना अगर पैसा he had spent, then he could have avoided it, तब वो उसको अवॉइड कर सकता है, इससे बच सकता था। Okay, write down, turn on your back cameras, करो back cameras on, write down. Why did Sindbad have to go through it? लिखो, Sindbad had to go through it because, लिखो, write down. Write down today's date, then classwork, okay? लिखो, write down. Sindbad, write down Sindbad. एक बार, Sindbad, Sindbad. Abhilav, what happened? क्या हुआ Abhilav? What happened? क्या हुआ? Are you writing Sindbad? Sorry, I'm instead of Abhilav, I'm saying Sindbad. Abhilav, are you writing? लिख रहे हो आप? Yes, Abhilav. Sindbad had, okay, Sindbad had spent all, Sindbad has spent all his money. Sindbad had spent all his money. Akshita 1590. Sindbad had spent all his money recklessly. Recklessly, okay. Sindbad had spent all his money recklessly. He sold all his goods. So, so he sold all his goods. Jaldi लिखना आपने, ठीक है? All his goods by public auction. Okay, by public auction. AUCTION, auction. Write down, write down. Yes, very good, very good. Riya, Srijan, Priya, Payal, very good. Sindbad had spent all his money recklessly, so he sold all his goods by public auction. Yes, he could have avoided it. Look. Yes. Yes, Sindbad could have avoided it. Yes, yes, comma, Sindbad Yes, Sindbad could have avoided avoided. Avoided. Yes, Sindbad could have avoided it. Avoided it. Had he spent his money, had he spent his money rationally, अब जो सोच समझिए अगर पैसा spend किया होता तो this problem would be avoided. Had he spent his money rationally, okay? RATIONALLY, rationally. RATIONALLY, rationally. Do fast. Do fast. Jaldi karo, jaldi. Come to next question.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Now next question, Khushbu will read B part. Khushbu read karo B part ko.
Yes, ma'am. What was the advantage of the episode in Sindbad life?
What was the advantage of this episode in Sindbad? अब इसकी क्या advantage हुई? When he spent his money, okay, then what advantage? Okay, क्या advantage हुआ उसकी? Merit means you can see what was the merit of that public auction? वो जो पब्लिक ऑक्शन उसने किया उसका क्या मेरिट हुआ, उसकी क्या एडवांटेज हुई, क्या फायदा हुआ उसका, क्या हुआ कि क्या हुआ, he became a sailor and he क्या बन गया, वो सेलर बन गया, and then he also became a good storyteller. Next he also got back his money, सारा उसको मनी वापस मिल गया. Right on. Next शैले रबे इसको रब कर दूं.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
देखो Sindbad, right on. Sindbad, right on. He became a good storyteller. He became a good. अब जल्दी लिखना है तो मैं भी लिख रही हूँ, फास्ट करो. He became a good storyteller. He became a good storyteller. Full stop. After full stop, first word is always capital. Okay. His adventure also PELLER. His adventure also helped. His adventure also helped him earn his lost money back. Okay. Yes, this is the answer. Do fast. Next question will be read by Priyanshi. 1561 will read.
Question number 2 done.
Okay, very good, very good.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Priyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Vansh, mute yourself. Mute karo. You are not supposed to. चलो इसको. Next question. Next question will be read by. Wait a minute. Okay, Navya. एक मिनट बेटा. Navya 1565 will read. Navya. Navya, camera should be on. Navya. कैमरा ऑन करो नव्या. करना ही नहीं कैमरा ऑन कि मैम कहीं बोल ना दे कि कहीं क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगी. Priyanshi 1561. Shall I wrap it? Shall I wrap it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanshi 15. Everybody has done? Everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanshi, now you will next.
Describe the island where Sinbad met the grooms of Marriage, the king of the island. What would happen if he had not met them?
Okay, now what you have to do in this question? क्या करना बेटा इस question में? Describe the island where Sindbad met the grooms of marriage. You know grooms कौन होते हैं? Which take care of horses. जो horses की देखभाल करते हैं, they are called grooms. Okay? तो वो island you have to describe that island where Sindbad met the grooms of the marriage, the king of the island. What would have happened if he had not met them? Suppose अगर Sindbad को वो ना मिलते, grooms ना मिलते, then what would have happened? तो क्या होगा? Priyanshi? Let me ask from Priyanshi after that. Yes, Priyanshi, क्या होता अगर suppose उसको वो नहीं मिलते? Suppose उसको grooms ना मिलते?
मैम तो वो अपने घर वापस
Then he would not be able to get back to his home. Okay, or return to his home. और क्या होता?
मैम
Okay, Payal. Okay, good Priyanshi. Yes, Payal.
मैम
Payal,
वो
आप
अपने
बताओ.
घर मैम वो अपने घर नहीं जा पाता और अपने पैसे जो होते वो जो लॉस्ट हुए थे वो भी नहीं ले सकता था.
बेटा आप when in your examination, wait a minute, in your examination, suppose this question has come, okay, in your examination that you will give your answer कि मैम वो अपने घर नहीं जा सकता, अपने पैसे नहीं कमा सकता, तो मैं कितने मार्क्स देती आपको? Out of 3 marks, how much marks should I give? कितने मार्क्स देने चाहिए मुझे फिर? Yes बेटा? Now tell me this thing, कितने मार्क्स देने चाहिए? Yes. तो मुझे
मैम
कितने
यहाँ
मार्क्स?
पर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है तो आप बार बार आपकी आवाज कट जा रही है और फिर मेरी बंद हो जा रही है क्लास.
Okay, okay. Now suppose अगर उसको वो ना मिलते, suppose.
मैम फिर लग भी रही है.
Listen. Suppose उसको ना मिलते वो grooms of marriage, then he would not have been able to get back to his home. Okay, first is this. Second, you know this thing that king gave him many precious gems, many gifts he got from the king. Then same he was not able to get. वो नहीं उसको मिलता, नहीं मिलता उसको. Okay, now write down. Okay, back camera should be on. Write down.
Ma'am, the spirit of the island would not leave him.
Okay, describe. Yes, where Sindbad met the grooms of the. लिखो उसको. Write down Sindbad. Next question number 13. Okay, write down after the whale incident. देखिए whale की बात हुआ था. After the whale incident. After the whale incident. After the whale incident. जल्दी लिखना आपने. Okay, do fast. Because we have to complete this chapter and we have to move to next chapter also. So do fast. After the whale incident, Sindbad. After the whale incident, इस whale incident के बाद Sindbad लिख दो. Sindbad drowned भी नहीं हुआ था. क्या हुआ था? Sindbad after the whale Sindbad came. After the whale incident, Sindbad came to an island. ठीक है, वो एक island में आ गया. Sindbad came to an island. Sindbad came to an island. he was hungry, तो कहते हैं he found some eatable herbs. Okay, he found some eatable herbs means खाने वाली. He found some eatable herbs. He found some eatable herbs and spring of clean water. Spring of clean water. Full stop. He met grooms of king. He met with the grooms of the king. Okay, grooms of the king. They gave him some food to eat. Okay, उन्होंने उसको खाने को दिया था. They gave him some food to eat. Because they gave, देखो cursive में लिखना है, listen this thing. T देख लो, कोई भी alphabet देखो, please write in cursive. They gave him some food to eat. You can also write they offered him food. Okay, आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. They gave him some food to eat. Some food to eat. Then he went to the capital. Then he went to the capital. Then he went to the capital. Okay. Obviously, you can also write where king welcomed him graciously, very humbly. You can write, but itna theek hai. Then he went to the capital. Okay. Then he met next. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what you have written after eat?
After eat, then TH and then. Then he went to the capital. He met many merchants. He met many merchants. He met many merchants. बस इतना करो. He met many merchants. He saw different types of fishes. Okay, उसे अलग-अलग fishes देखी. He saw different types of fishes. Okay, बस इतना ही लिखना है आपने. He saw different types of fishes. Now we will do our next question number 14. Okay, question number 14. Low. See.
I have done my.
After the whale, okay, nobody will say this thing better than that. After the whale incident, Sindbad came to an island. He found some eatable herbs and spring of clean water. He met with the grooms of the king. They gave him some food to eat. Then he went to the capital. He met many merchants. He saw different types of fishes. Okay, it's all. That's all. Now, everybody has done. Niyank has done.
मैम डन.
Every सभी ने किया.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Mehra, Srijan, Aditya Mehra, Abhilap, Riya, everybody has done.
Done.
Shall I
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Arman
ma'am. Done.
Okay, beta. Arman has done. Arman Mehra has done. Arman Mehra, have you done? आपने लिखा कुछ? Arman, what is this? Huh? So much noise is coming. जैसे तुमने खुद को अनम्यूट किया, so much noise was coming. Vansh 1652 has done. Vansh has done. Shall I rub it? कर दूं रब मैं इसको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके देखो लिसन स्टूडेंट्स, बोर्ड को रब करने का भी वन मेथड इज देयर। ठीक है, बोर्ड को ऐसे रब करते हैं, ऐसे एक मेथड होता है, इसको ढंग से रब करते हैं ऐसे करके। ठीक है, ऐसे कि जस्ट ऐसे भी करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं ऐसे। ओके, ये बोर्ड को ऐसे रब करते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। ये पड़ेगा वंश 1652। वंश, रीड दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज रिटन। करो इसको रीड। वंश, रीड ही नहीं करना मैम, क्या करोगे। सृजन सैनी, सृजन सैनी, ये सृजन, सृजन,
In question,
yes, question number 14, fill in the blanks.
fill in the blanks.
Hmm.
Fill in blanks with suitable phrases help books.
Okay, now in this question you have to fill these 4 blanks, okay, with the help of these phrases. Okay, beta, there is a difference between phrase and a clause. Okay, except clauses we have done. Clauses क्या होता है, in clauses subject and subject होता है, verb होता है, it is a part of a sentence. Okay, वो एक complete sentence भी होता है खुद में, तो एक sentence में there can be 1 or 2 clauses. Okay, लेकिन phrase में क्या होता है, phrase में there is no subject, no verb, ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है, वाक्यांश तुम बोल सकते हो, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है। नाउ यू हैव टू फिल दीज 4 ब्लैंक्स with the help of these phrases that are given in this box. Okay, put on his thinking cap, in the nick of time, spick and span, white with fear. Okay, 4, अभिलव क्या देख रहे हो बेटा इधर उधर। अभी नहीं देखना है, ये 4 होने दो, उसके बाद देखो आप, मैं सभी को देख रही हूँ। ठीक है, आप ऐसे नहीं सोचो कि मैम 1-2 को देख रही है, सभी के स्क्रीन जो है बच्चे प्रेजेंट है। ओके, पुट ऑन हिज थिंकिंग कैप, फर्स्ट इज रिटन, इन द निक ऑफ टाइम सेकंड फ्रेज, स्पिक एंड स्पैन थर्ड फ्रेज, एंड वाइट विद फियर फोर्थ फ्रेज। ओके, तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, यू हैव टू पुट दीज phrases. Okay, वाक्यांश, no subject, no verb, only a part of the sentence, इसको आपने फिलअप्स में डालना है। फर्स्ट अभिलव, what is first, read out.
Yes, ma'am. Sindbad jumped dash into the ocean.
Sindbad jumped dash into the ocean. Question number 14. Okay, question number 14. A part. Okay, first of all, see. Put on his thinking cap. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Put on his thinking cap means क्या होता है? Put on his thinking cap. क्या होता है बेटा? Means to start thinking what should be done. क्या करना चाहिए, वो सोचना स्टार्ट कर देना. To start thinking what should be done, that is called put on his thinking cap. जिसमें बोलते हैं ना, चलो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो and put on your thinking cap means to start thinking. Okay, trying to think what should be done. वो हो गया put on his thinking cap. Second, in the nick of time. In the nick of time means in a proper time, you can say. Okay, just before the last moment, in the proper time, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? In the nick of time means ठीक समय पर, appropriate time. Third is spick and span. Spick and span means very neat, clean, बहुत साफ सुथरा, उसको हम बोलते हैं spick and span. कि my house is very spick and span, मेरे घर कैसा साफ सुथरा है. White with fear means डर के मारे जो white हो जाते हैं, that is called white with fear. Okay, 4 का मीनिंग क्लियर हो गया. Put on his thinking cap का मतलब क्या है? To start thinking what should be done, क्या करना चाहिए वो सोचना स्टार्ट कर देना, that is called put on his thinking cap. I put on my thinking cap and solve the problem. Okay, in the nick of time, ठीक टाइम पर, ठीक समय पर, appropriate time, within the last moment जो है उससे पहले, ठीक समय पर. Spick and span, very neat, very clean, साफ सुथरा. Okay, white with fear, डर के मारे जो white हो जाते हैं, that is okay, बहुत डर लगना. Now, Abhila, A part was there. अब तुम्हें meaning clear है? A part.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
In the nick of time is the answer of A part.
read the full question.
Sindbad jumped in the nick of time into the ocean.
Okay, very good. In the nick of time. Write down in the nick of time. And it means cheeks available. In the nick of time. B part. Srijan 220. Srijan. B part.
Ma'am, D.
पता ही नहीं आप क्लास नहीं हो. The crew members.
The crew members were dashed when they realized they were sitting on.
Okay. When the crew members were sitting on a whale, तब उनको क्या हुआ? They were क्या हुआ उनको? जब उनको they realized that instead of an island they are sitting on the back of a whale, then what did they realize? क्या लगा उनको? क्या आएगा इसमें ऊपर से? What will be the suitable phrase? क्या होगी? Yes, क्या होगी? Srijan, what can be suitable phrase? बताओ. White with fear. Okay, write down white with fear. White with fear. Okay, third, Arushi 1566. Arushi 1566. Yes, ma'am. C part. C part.
Sindbad bought a beautiful house that was.
Very easy. And this example I have already given just a few seconds before. Sindbad bought. Yes. Yes, Arushi will tell. Sindbad bought.
Died with fear.
White with fear. White with fear is already written. Wait a minute. Let Arushi speak, okay? जिसकी टर्न चली उसको बोलेगा. बेटा, white with fear is the answer of B part. B part का आंसर है C part. Spick and span means span. Sindbad bought a beautiful house. Sindbad ने एक beautiful house खरीदा. That was spick and span, very neat, clean, well looked. Okay, spick and span. Third, spick and C part. Spick.
Then to all questions of 14.
Yes. Write down spick and span. Yeah, 1606. Ria, 1606. Ria. Yes, D part.
Sindbad
Sindbad. Arushi.
Sindbad dash and them answered the captain's questions.
Sindbad dash, very easy. One is left and that be its answer. Yes, what is its answer?
I put on
Yes.
cap.
His thinking can means Sindbad ने सोचा to start trying to think that what should be done. तो Sindbad ने सोचा and then he answered the captain's questions. Okay, put on his thinking cap. Put on his. Okay, आप भी you always put on your thinking cap before answering any question. Okay, put on his thinking cap. Okay. Put on his thinking cap. Now everybody has done. सभी ने कर लिया.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
thing. Okay, beta. In first pillar, in the nick of the time. Second, white with fear. C, spick and smile. D, put on his thinking cap. Okay. Now listen, beta. Question number 15. This question I had given you in your homework. दिया था मैंने आपको. Have you done? किया है आपने किसी ने? नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 15. I think मैंने question number 16 आपको दिया था कि नहीं दिया था? नहीं दिया था question number 16. Question number 16 we will do in the class, okay? Yes, but now you read this question. Question number 16. Vardhan?
Yes,
Shivan? Yes, Vardhan. Question number 16, page number 76. Page number 76.
Imagine you are in Ahmedabad, write a diary and entry record of a Make sure you include the effect it had on you when you recall the experience. Now read out your diary entry with proper expression